Good morning, students. In our EVS part 1, first lesson, our Earth and our solar system. Today we are going to study about other heavenly bodies in the solar system. First one is satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellite. What is meant by satellite? Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellite. Satellite to get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. It is called a satellite of earth. So dear students, moon is the satellite of earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolves around the sun along with their satellites. Then dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Then asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a bond of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. A diagram of a solar system. In this diagram of the solar system below, in it you see the sun in the center. The sun in the center, the heavenly body that revolve around it and their orbits, the planets, the satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all parts of the solar system. So dear students, a diagram of our solar system, please note that only the Earth satellite is shown in it. So you have to observe this diagram and answer the questions given here. Now see, the questions are given here. Which planet is nearest to the sun? So here it is the sun, and this all are the planets are around the sun. The which planet is nearest to the sun? It is the Mercury. Then at what position is the earth from the sun? Earth is in what position from the sun? So Mercury, Venus and earth. Means earth is the third place of the sun, from the sun. Which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? So here which planet is placed in the earth and Mercury? So earth and Mercury, between them the Venus is there. Now name the planets beyond the orbit of Mars in the serial order. Name the planets beyond the orbit of the Mars in serial order. So these you have to tell the names of in serial orders. It is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Which planet is furthest from the sun? The furthest from the sun is the Pluto. So, dear student, all heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or pull on the one another. This force is called the force of gravity. What is the force of gravity? All the heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called a force of gravity. The sun a gravitational pull on all planets, whereas the tendency of the planets is to move away from the sun. As a result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun and a fixed distance in a fixed orbits. In the same way, satellites revolve around the planets. People have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some object from the earth into space. What is the space? Space means the emptiness between the beyond the stars and planets is called a space. It must be given power. Here in this picture, this is the India space mission, Chandrayaan. Now on 22nd October 2008, the Indian Space Research Organization, means ISRO, launched a spacecraft to the moon. The mission is known as Chandrayaan First. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, sent the first Chandrayaan. Then Mangalyaan is another important Indian space mission. It is known as the MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013. It got established in orbit around the planet. Mars on 24 September 2014, ISRO achieved this feat in its first attempt. Both these missions are unknown is that there were no people on board this spacecraft. The objective of the mission is a deeper study of the moon and Mars. So dear students, here one of the Diwali firecrackers is called a rocket. It is a rocket with explosive substances. The explosive burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is the certain direction at the great speed. When you are the firecracker, it is we are playing with this firecracker in Diwali. Like the same way, this rocket is launched. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into the space. Some spacecraft remain in the space, some are brought back to the Earth, while some land on another planet or satellites. In some mission, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts. Now for an example, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into the space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet intruders. Seeing India from space, he said that it looked sare jahan se acha. So dear student, we will see in the next